obviously by the title of the video, you know what we're doing today, but of course we can't go tackle this beast without the proper nutrition in our body. Now, Mr. Hatch here showed up, already eating something. What? Taco Bell? You serious? Cheater. Freaking cheater. Exposed. Mr. Hatch eating Taco Bell. Yeah, wipe that face. Wipe that face. So now, the proper nutrition is flowing through my body. We're gonna make a quick drive. Hey! Hey, say it one time.
No.
Say it one time.
No,
please?
no.
Please?
Let's get the spread.
All right, we're back again. Back in the same spot. Me and BJ Filippi. We're gonna tackle the cement factory today. Coming back for round 2. We've got great attire on today. He's got some Van boots and an Atlanta Braves hat. Look at this. Look at this attire he's got on. Atlanta Braves, Seminoles, low-cut socks. Man, this guy's got some swag. Hey, I can't talk. I've got an old something kind of shirt on. My little frat guy shoes. Hair's a mess. Some great climbing attire that we got going on today, but we do it for y'all. We do it for the fans. Hopefully there are no hobos or homeless people or people with power tools out here today. That's the main goal, is to get in, have some fun, do what we need to do, and get out. I'd rather not get killed or something out here, but we do it for you guys, like I said. So we're coming up on it now. We're just gonna jump into it. The last video we did a good walk around of the area, so y'all know what it is, but we're headed there. Here we go. This is not safe.
Those are rollers.
Oh crap. Oh, nope, not happening. Not happening. Excuse me, sir. Pardon me. Excuse me. Oh crap. Excuse me. We're gonna go this way. They seem like normal people. I wonder what that guy was cutting on last time. Oh, look. This is what it was. Cutting on that. When we came out here last time, that's what the guy was cutting on. I have no idea why. Some wires or something. It's kind of cool. Here we go. This is it. Whoa.
How's it going?
Hey.
We don't mean to interrupt, sorry.
Wait.
As long as y'all aren't homeless people, we're okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this would be a good spot to have the truck. This is pretty cool.
You can get in here.
I could not.
People out here.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of other people out here. Cool. We picked a great day. We are going to the top though. That's the plan today. We are going to the top.
No, on that one.
Why not?
Because I'm not going up this fucking that ladder.
You wanna? I'll go up. Do it for the video. Mom, I love you.
Oh, okay.
Fred. Is it too late to say I'm terrified of heights? Yes.
A little bit. I wouldn't have done that.
Oh! Brian, I'm scared.
Have fun getting down.
Yeah, oh, don't look down. Oh. That high bow tie. I'm really scared. You think you could throw? No.
Nah, not having it. Probably should have brought this up there, huh?
There's no way to. I can't climb that and hold that at the same time. All right. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. You want to stop here for a second? This seems pretty pretty safe. Yeah. Yeah, let's not hang around here too much. Let's go up. You go ahead.
All right.
Oh. This isn't bad. So I think we go through this way.
Yeah.
Hey, it's like walking at work.
Yeah, straight up.
Kind of a cool little view. That's where we were a couple minutes ago, up there. Now we're heading up. All right, I'm gonna pass it off. This is a tight squeeze. Tight squeeze. Oh. Here we go. Tight squeeze, tight squeeze, tight squeeze. Oh. Hey. Ooh. Oh. All right. Got Brian coming behind. Not too bad. You good?
Wrong shoes.
Yeah. Yeah, so I've got on, like I said before, I've got on Converse. And these aren't very good for this. I do want to get up here though. Can't come this far and not get up there. You all right?
Yeah.
It's a tight squeeze.
Sorry, I'm very afraid of heights.
Me too. The things I do for YouTube, man. What's in there? I don't know. I don't want to find out. Awesome view. BJ Filippi, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause. All right.
You gotta go around.
Yeah, go.
I wouldn't climb up there.
No?
Go around.
Excuse me, sir. Pardon me. Come here often?
Yeah.
This way?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not going down in there. That's where you go to die. You don't want to come around this way? You expect me to get up this by myself?
Yeah.
I'm a big boy, right? Here. Right there. Ow. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. I've always seen people up here, but I've never been up here myself.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh, I wasn't scared until now. I was not scared until now. So you got people filming over there, a couple over here. It's awesome. Yeah, I wasn't scared until now.
Yeah, I'm dying because I get arrested.
So you used to be able to drive in over there, and I guess that's what people still do. They just park up front and just walk over here. Because you used to be able to drive your truck all through here. And there was a big mud pit over here. You can still see some water kind of right there. But we came in the back way. This is awesome. Got some houses over here and stuff. This is like, oh, I hate heights. How people get graffiti and stuff like on these areas amazes me. 'Cause I have faith in you, Brian.
I'm gonna drop it, dude.
You are?
I feel like I am. I feel like that's what's gonna happen.
I have faith in you. Just catch it however you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. You ready? Yeah. Hey. Awesome. Now we're gonna. Do you think I could jump over there too?
No.
Like, yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't. Alright.
I don't think y'all realize, like 2 feet that way, I'm dead. That's. Oh. Woo. Let's go. I was actually a lot more worried about this. I thought this was gonna be a lot worse. Well, for me.
Yeah.
Brian's a little scared right now. I don't blame him. I'm scared of heights too, but my adrenaline's going. I do it for the YouTube. So hope y'all like this. Leave a like and a comment. This is a tight squeeze. This looked a lot shorter of a distance on the way up. Seems like a pretty far drop down. Ooh.
I'm gonna drop it like this, though.
Oh.
You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. That's how you do that. While Brian's trying to get down, I would like to point out there's a random recliner lawn chair sitting right there. I don't know if the GoPro can pick it up. Just a random chair. Like, I guess hobos out here tan as hell. Hey, face first. I like it. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we have touchdown. We're gonna go through here. Oh, that was interesting. That was interesting. Yeah, so like I said previously, the reason that we didn't come through last time is, yeah, this looks like a buffer saw or something. I don't know. Water bottle. So whatever was happening over here with this metal last time, somebody was cutting into this. Yeah, look, you can see there's like cuts into that. I don't know what somebody was doing, but we didn't feel like we wanted to be around that. So that's why we didn't come through last time. But we did it this time. What do you think?
That was cool.
Was it cool?
Cool for my second time, yeah.
Would you do it again? I don't know if I would do that again. Yeah, I don't know. That was actually, it was really fun. I don't know if I'd do it again though, because that was kind of sketch. That was really fun. Hope y'all enjoyed it. We had a good time. Oh, I'm still like, anybody that lives in Tallahassee, I'm always down to film. I'm always down to do stuff. Hit me up. Let's do something like trucks, cars, stuff like this. We're branching out. We're having fun. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let's get this bread.